Hey, if you've ever felt overwhelmed by the noise in crypto, thousands of tokens, endless hype, and conflicting advice, you're not alone. The truth is, most retail traders lose money because they're late to the game. By the time the hype hits Twitter or YouTube, whales have already positioned themselves and taken the lion's share of profits. But what if you could see exactly what those whales are doing in real time? What if you had a dashboard that showed you where millions of dollars are flowing before the crowd even notices? That's exactly what I'm going to show you today. How to track crypto whale wallets in real time and how to find them using ZenChain AI. Let's be honest, traditional crypto research is slow, messy, and exhausting. You're juggling CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Telegram groups, Twitter threads, and endless charts. By the time you piece together the data, the opportunity is gone. Whales already bought in, pumped the token, and cashed out. Retail traders are always late because they don't have the tools to see smart money moves as they happen. And that's why ZenChain AI exists. ZenChain AI is a real-time crypto intelligence dashboard built to track whale wallets across Ethereum, Solana, and more. It takes the complexity of blockchain data, wallet transactions, and sentiment analysis and compresses it into a simple, easy-to-use interface. Here's what makes it powerful. Whale Tracker. Instantly see what whales are buying and selling. No guesswork, no rumors, just raw blockchain data compiled by AI. Token details. Get charts, sentiment scores, contract addresses, social profiles, and market stats in seconds. Wallet research. Dive into individual whale wallets, see their top holdings, and spot conviction plays before they trend. Meme coin section. Track pumps and dumps in the wildest corners of crypto with real-time alerts. Favorites and reports. Save tokens you're watching and access daily sentiment reports pulled from top crypto influencers. Instead of spending hours scrolling, you can make informed decisions in minutes. ZenChain AI was built by Ricky Mataka, a developer with 25+ years of software experience and over $40 million in online sales. He systemized strategies that used to take hours of manual blockchain research and turned them into a plug-and-play platform. Real users have reported flipping $400 into $2,000, making $19,000 in a day, and even hitting six-figure gains by following whale wallets. And the best part? You don't need to be a chart analyst or a DeFi expert. If you can copy a contract address and click swap, you can use ZenChain AI. Here's how simple it is. Log into ZenChain AI and open the whale tracker. Choose Ethereum or Solana and see the top tokens whales are buying or dumping. Click a token to view its details, charts, sentiment, holders, and social links. Copy the contract address, paste it into your wallet, and swap in. Ride the move, then 2 times out and play with house money. That's it. No complicated setups, no endless research. Just smart money moves delivered to you in real time. Speed. Cut research time from hours to minutes. Clarity. See exactly what whales are doing, not what influencers are guessing. Confidence. Make decisions backed by real blockchain data. Accessibility. Works worldwide 24/7 on desktop or mobile. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, ZenChain AI gives you the edge you've been missing. So here's the bottom line. Crypto is noisy, unpredictable, and full of hype. But whales move with purpose, and now you can track them in real time. ZenChain AI is your shortcut to seeing smart money flows, spotting hidden gems, and making faster, smarter trades. If you're ready to stop guessing and start following the money, check out ZenChain AI today. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, friends. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto insights, and drop a comment below telling me what tokens you're watching right now. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, trade smart and stay ahead of the crowd.